Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. CAT 2022 is less than 120 days away. The most dreaded section for many of the students is the QA section. So in this video, we are going to look at the detailed preparation strategy for quant section. So give me 75 days and 2 hours per day and you will get the desired QA percentile in the CAT exam. ठीक है ना? So after this activity, you will be sure कि आपको 90 परसेंटाइल 95 परसेंटाइल 99 परसेंटाइल बेस्ड ऑन योर कैपेसिटी इतना आपका परसेंटाइल आ जाएगा. ठीक है. Why are we talking about only 2 hours a day? Because you have to prepare for other sections as well. So these 2 hours per day are for QA section specifically. ठीक है. Make sure that you dedicate these 2 hours per day. We always believe in making feasible plans. We don't make the plans for like 7 hours and 8 hours and 9 hours of preparation. And we always make plans for 4 hours or 5 hours of preparation. So consistency is needed, and that consistency can be achieved only if you make a feasible plan. है ना. 4-5 घंटे का पढ़ाई का प्लान बनाओ. That is something which will not exhaust you and can be done for a longer duration. अगर आप 8 घंटे 9 घंटे का प्लान बनाते हो, if you are able to do it, well and good. But if you are not able to follow that plan, तो इसका रीजन ये है क्योंकि you are exhausting yourself for 8 to 9 hours and then next day you don't have the energy to again do the same. ठीक है ना. On the other hand, 4 to 5 hours का प्लान है. Whoever comes to me, we always prefer to make a feasible plan of 4 to 5 hours. उसमें से 4 to 5 hours में से 2 hours you have to dedicate to quant section. Also, one more request which I will like to make is that follow only one mentor. है ना. So you will see many such videos on YouTube. है ना. Each and every mentor will have a different methodology. Each and everyone will take you to your dream, but then you'll have to follow only one mentor. So if you are watching this video and you are deciding कि मेरे को ये plan follow करना है, then dedicate your 75 to this plan. है ना. Don't change your plan in between by listening to some other mentor. है ना. क्योंकि आप ना उनका प्लान प्रॉपरली फॉलो करोगे ना ही हमारा फॉलो करोगे, जिससे इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट कि आपका डिजायर्ड स्कोर आए. है ना. इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी एज आई सेड, एंड दिस कंसिस्टेंसी विल बी अचीव्ड इफ यू मेक अ प्लान एंड फॉलो इट. ठीक है ना. डेली क्या क्या करना है, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन दिस वीडियो. If you want to join us for CAT preparation, you can connect with us on any one of these two given numbers. All the sessions in this CAT crash course will be taken by 99 percentiles. You will have maximum 15 students even in an online batch. VAT PI training will be given to you. Post your scores are out. The books will be given to you. Hard copy of the books will be provided. A mobile app which is useful for topic-wise test and sectional test will be useful. So the plan which we are making is based on the material which our students have. है ना. Then national level test series will be provided to you. One-on-one mock analysis, special exam specific workshops. These are our USPs, and that those will be provided to you. Doubt sessions, separate doubt sessions, daily quiz on Telegram. All these will be provided to you. All important exam updates will be provided to you on YouTube, and all of this in the lowest fee in the industry. So this is just for 15,000 rupees, and profile-based discounts are also available. So you can just connect with us. We can have the further discussion. Now coming to the task list, you are supposed to finish or complete arithmetic in the first month. कैसे करेंगे? So day 1 पे you have to go and watch the basic sessions. Basic sessions का जो playlist है, we will be adding it at the end of the video. वो basic sessions का आपको प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाएगा. उसमें से बेसिक सेशन 1 एंड बेसिक सेशन 2. ठीक है. इसके बैंकिंग लेवल सिंप्लीफिकेशंस क्वेश्चंस you just have to watch these 2 sessions. ये कुछ 30 minutes का बेसिक सेशन है, ये 1 hour का बेसिक सेशन है. You watch it and solve banking level simplification questions. You can search for simplification questions bank level on YouTube and you will get that. Then basic session 3, you on day 2 watch basic session 3, banking level simplification questions. Basic session 4 and 5, Then basic percentage, and so basic lesson 4 is on percentage and 5 is on profit and loss. Watch those videos and solve basic percentage and profit and loss questions from IndiaBase. So IndiaBase is one of the sites जहां पे मैंने आज तक सबसे इजी क्वेश्चंस मैंने वहीं पे देखे हैं. ठीक है, मेरे को अगर कोई इजी क्वेश्चन फाइंड आउट करना है तो आई विल डेफिनेटली विजिट IndiaBase. ठीक है ना, तो विजिट दैट वेबसाइट एंड सॉल्व बेसिक क्वेश्चन. 15-20 क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व करो उसमें. ठीक है, बेसिक सेक्शन 6 and 7 देखो, दे आर ऑन SICI एंड रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन. उसके फिर इंडिया बेस पे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो. देन बेसिक सेशन 8 which is on average mixture allocation and solve few questions from India base. Here your basic sessions or basics of maths will be ready. ठीक है ना, ये चीज ध्यान में रखो. इट इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप अपने बेसिक्स क्लियर रखो. एंड इन फर्स्ट 5 days वी आर फोकसिंग ओनली ऑन आवर बेसिक्स. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट डे 6, simply simple equation we concept video you have to watch. You know, we have a very good concept video made for simple equations. Then there are certain questions which are solved in that video. Watch that video completely and solve 20 bank level questions. Search for simple equation bank level questions on Google. You'll get those questions. Solve 20 questions, and all these tasks which we are telling you are to be finished within 2 hours, and it is possible to finish within 2 hours. Day 2, you visit, you open our books and solve 40 advanced level questions of simple equation. That means that you are done with simple equation. Next day, you open ratio proportion variation, you watch the concept video, solve bank level questions. Day 9, you visit ratio proportion variation ka book, and in the book solve 40 odd questions with the timer on of ratio proportion variation. Same you do with percentage, profit loss, average mixture allocation. For SICI, we are making some changes because SICI will need some extra inputs. So we are going to cover SICI in 3 days. तो पहले दिन बेसिक वीडियो देखेंगे, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. नेक्स्ट डे SICI के 40 क्वेश्चंस एडवांस लेवल के सॉल्व करेंगे. फिर लोन कंसेप्ट एंड प्रेजेंट वैल्यू कंसेप्ट के लिए वी आर गोइंग टू डेडिकेट अ सेपरेट 1 day, एंड उसके अच्छे ऐसे 20 क्वेश्चन हम सॉल्व कर देंगे. which will, I mean, this activity can definitely, after this activity you can definitely say कि मेरा SICI complete. सेम इज विद टाइम एंड वर्क. टाइम एंड वर्क आप स्टार्ट करोगे पहले दिन से बेसिक कंसेप्ट, एफिशिएंसी वाला कंसेप्ट, ऑल्टरनेट डेज वाला कंसेप्ट एंड उसके रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस. 5 क्वेश्चंस हर एक टॉपिक के. सो इफ यू ओपन टाइम एंड वर्क 1 का वीडियो, दिस इज व्हाट इज कवर्ड इन टाइम एंड वर्क. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट डे अगर आप टाइम एंड वर्क पे जाओगे, सो वेजेस वाला कंसेप्ट देखोगे, मैन डे आर कंसेप्ट देखोगे, पाइप्स एंड सिस्टम्स का कंसेप्ट देखोगे, एंड यू विल हैव टू सॉल्व 5 to 6 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम ईच ऑफ दीज इंडिविजुअल कंसेप्ट्स. है ना, ये चीज आपको फाइंड आउट करना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. और वीडियोस आर मेड इन सच फॉर्मेट कि आपको ये सारे कंसेप्ट्स इन दिस ऑर्डर यू विल गेट. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज टाइम एंड वर्क का बुक खोलो, 40 एडवांस लेवल क्वेश्चंस. दिस इज योर डे 21. देन टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस, अगेन वी आर स्पेंडिंग 3 days. है ना, टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस में यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द concepts in this particular order only in the videos, and watch those videos, solve 5 questions each and get done with it. Then you day 25 you write simple equation and RPV का topic wise test, percentage profit loss का topic wise test individually, SICI average mixture allocation topic wise test, time and work का 2 टेस्ट in 1 day topic wise, time speed distance का 2 टेस्ट, and on day 30 arithmetic का sectional test. Once you do this, you can say कि मेरा arithmetic section complete हो चुका है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज फिनिश योर ज्योमेट्री इन नेक्स्ट 15 days. है ना, तो ये ज्योमेट्री का कैसा स्केड्यूल है, एकदम डिटेल में स्केड्यूल दिया हुआ है. यू जस्ट हैव टू वॉच इट. जो जैसा दिया है उतना करो एंड यू विल बी डन विद इट. इसमें हमने बेसिक सेशंस भी देखे हैं ज्योमेट्री के. ज्योमेट्री में लाइंस, एंगल्स, ट्रायंगल्स कवर किया है, क्वाड्रिलेटरल पॉलीगॉन कवर किया है, सर्कल्स किया है, मेंसुरेशन, कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री, एंड देन वी आर टेकिंग टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट एंड ओवरऑल सेक्शनल टेस्ट फॉर ज्योमेट्री. So all of this content is available in the video format. In the mobile app, you will get topic wise test. So we have researched all that and then we have made this video. तो make sure कि आप identify करो कि आपको कब कहाँ पे क्या करना है. The content is there in that particular order with you. ठीक है. Then comes the numbers part. Numbers, we are not going to spend a lot of time on numbers. We are going to spend only 5 days on number. Reason behind that is numbers के ऊपर number of questions have reduced since last 3-4 years, and also this chapter is bit difficult to grasp. ठीक है ना. तो go through the basics of these, है ना. एग्जाम में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि एकदम ही बेसिक सा क्वेश्चन आया और आपको सॉल्व करते नहीं आया. This should not be the case. That is why we are going to spend 5 days. But इसमें complete number के ऊपर mastery शायद नहीं आएगी. Don't worry, it is okay. Next, we target PNC probability. PNC के लिए we spend 3 days. In fact, 4 days for PNC. Then for probability, we spend 3 days and then take topic-wise test for PNC and probability. PNC and probability, the number of questions are also good in the exam. It is something difficult to understand, and that is why we are spending more amount of time on these topics. Okay, then we will be writing topic-wise test for PNC, probability, and all. Last is your algebra. Algebra section is something which is many of you will find difficult. है ना. So we are going to go through the basics of algebra so that कोई basic session आया तो आपको वो difficult ना लगे, है ना. So you need to also understand कि किस topic के ऊपर कितने questions आते हैं. So we have made a separate video कि कौन section में कितने topic, किस topic के ऊपर कौन से कितने video, कितने questions आते हैं. So I'll be adding that video at the end of the section. वो video भी आप देख लो. Algebra के ऊपर there is not a lot of weightage, है ना. Maximum amount of weightage is given on arithmetic and geometry and PNC probability. ठीक है. Algebra के ऊपर भी questions will be there, है ना. But 20-25% of the questions will be there. उसमें से basic questions जो आएंगे we will be able to solve it because we are spending 15 days on algebra, है ना. In algebra we are doing series, APGP, AGP वाला day. Then quadratic equations we are completing, logarithm, surds and indices, inequalities, modulus, and we are spending good amount of days on functions as well. ठीक है ना. तो algebra will be done after day 75, है ना. But then एक चीज आपको ध्यान में रखना है, even if you study algebra, you will not be able to solve each and every question of algebra क्योंकि वो difficult है, and we have not studied algebra before. ठीक है. तो don't worry. ठीक है. If a easy question comes on algebra, we'll be able to solve it after we put 15 days on algebra, and that is what we need. ठीक है. We need only 12 questions correct to get 99%, which is 50% of the marks. ठीक है ना. तो वो एक separate video है. वो video at the end of this video I'll add it. You can go through it and आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Once these 75 days are over, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि आपका खत्म हो. ठीक है. After these 75 days are over, till 15th of November, you will daily have to write at least 1 or 2 tests on है ना. टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट लिखो, सेक्शनल टेस्ट लिखो, मॉक टेस्ट लिखो. क्यूए सेक्शन के ऊपर कम से कम 1 या 2 टेस्ट आपको डेली देना है till 15th of November. उसके बाद तो हम मॉक्स भी देंगे, उसके पहले भी हम मॉक्स देंगे, तो उसमें हमारा क्यूए सेक्शन कवर होने का है. बट देन क्यूए सेक्शन से अपना हाथ नहीं छूटना चाहिए. If you go through this timetable, trust this process, you will definitely get your desired percentage in the call section. If you feel कि इसमें कुछ changes कर सकते हैं तो you are open to do that. ऐसा नहीं है कि यही आपको follow करना है. But if you follow this is one of the methods which we recommend to our students and जिससे अच्छा खासा result आया है. Previous year students, they have followed this method and they have got the results from this, and that is what we are sharing with you in this year's format. ठीक है ना. तो कुछ भी डाउट है, you can connect with us on any one of these 3 social media platforms or visit our website tarkashastra.co.in or send a WhatsApp message on any one of these 2 numbers. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.